Hi everyone, and welcome to another video of Games and Cubes. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can solve the 6-spot cube. It's a simple cube, and I will explain it in 3 steps. In the first step you are going to solve the square around the spot. So we're searching for, well, in this case you got orange over here, so we connect the orange square. White is over here, so you can connect the white square, and now we also connected red, and as you can see all the squares are now solved, and we also got one piece scope. That's not a problem. What you are searching for right now in the second step is you're searching for a situation where you got 3 solved squares joined together like this. And how you can create that is by putting the one with the dot. And so here you see the orange one, you put the dot that needs to go on top, you put it in front of you, you hold the cube like this, and you perform the following algorithm. You connect them, you turn it away, you correct that one, and you push it back up. And as you can see, you now got 2 connected. So let's see if we've got 3. No, we haven't got 3, so we have to do that again. Well, we got 3 but not the right one, so well, this is a green one. Let's do the same sequence. 1 away, 2, 3, and now as you can see you've got 3 connected squares solved. And now in the last step in solving this cube, you put the middle one that is solved. So there's one solved on the bottom, one here, and now you're going to solve the one on top. In this case, yellow does not need to go on top because then you haven't solved it. Red needs to go on top, so you put red in front of you and you perform the same sequence as you did before. So you just hold red here, you have to push it up, so hold it like this, solved one on the bottom, 1, turn it away, correct the other one, push it back up again, and as you can see you now got a solved 6-dot cube. I hope you enjoyed this super simple tutorial. I think it's a simple cube to solve, and I will hopefully see you again in my next video. Thank you.